Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about a pretty hot topic on the cubing market. So, magnetic cubes. I've made 3 of them, and I'll just run you through that. So, starting off with the GTS, this was the easiest of the 3 puzzles I magnetized to actually magnetize. The feel of it, the plastic must be pretty thick, and it gives it a slight bumpy feel. And you can definitely feel it when turning slowly, but even then it's not that strong, and when you're turning fast it's not even there. The reason this was the easiest to magnetize was because it's capped and you don't actually have to take the puzzle apart. You can just take off all the caps and then put in the magnets pretty much. You have 2 in the edges, 3 in the corners. Pretty basic. Yeah, but overall it's a really nice turning puzzle, and yeah, that's the GTS-M. And now for the Valk 3M. So this is, in my opinion, the nicest feeling of the 3 puzzles, because I used N35 magnets, and in the GTS probably a little stronger would have been nicer, and in the Moyu Lingpo 2x2 definitely it was a bit too strong, the N35, so... But in the Valk it's pretty much perfect, so yeah, you get the really nice clicky feeling when you're turning slowly. Yeah, this one was a little bit more complex to magnetize, but still pretty simple. 3x3's pretty nice to magnetize, pretty easy. You had to actually take it apart, because each corner is in 3 pieces and each edge is in 2, and then you just put a magnet on each of the pieces. So yeah, then again there's 3 in the corners and 2 in the edges. And yeah, magnetizing this worked out really well, except assembling it is really a pain, because the core, yeah, if you have a Valk and you've tried to assemble it, you'll know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so the Valk overall, really nice feeling, nice and clicky. The M slices, some people say they're a bit sluggish, but for me they feel the same. They still turn pretty fast. So that's about it for the Valk. So onto the Moyu Lingpo M. So this really didn't turn out that well for me, and I'll explain why that is later. So when you're making a 2x2 magnetic, you have to deal with polarity, and yeah, that just makes it a little bit more difficult. There's 6 magnets in each corner, which adds up to the same amount of magnets that you need to use in a 3x3, so that's kind of weird. And it definitely adds a lot of extra weight, and the overall click on this is super strong, because I used N35 magnets in it, which is not what you're supposed to do for a 2x2, because the plastic is a lot thinner. So overall this 2x2 turns it's a lot slower than it used to be now. I suppose you could say the stability's been increased, but I would say it's been a bit over increased, really. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.